Looking for the best welding glove? In this video, we will break down the top 5 welding gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Cayman 1878-521. These welding gloves are 21 inches long. Their unique contour design is three-dimensional and was created to maximize fit and comfort. Also, the contour design allows the gloves to mold to the natural shape of your hand and properly align them to your fingers. This shaping helps prevent excess space inside and any subsequent slipping. They provide dexterity and freedom of movement that is difficult to match. The contour fit also matches the natural curvature of the human hand, which is also very rarely found in other welding gloves. As well, the natural crease line is usually cut straight across the palm. Thus, the contour design accurately matches this crease line to allow for the most effortless fit possible. Finally, there is also a large leather pulse patch that protects your wrist area, and the leather palm patches reinforce these gloves' overall durability. At number 2. Replica. This is a leather forged welding gloves that are made with a full leather outer. The overall glove length is 16 inches, with a 7.5-inch sleeve length. It uses thick, soft, and flexible shoulder split cowhide, making these gloves very thick yet retaining a great deal of flexibility. They are treated for heat, oil, and fire resistance. Also, these gloves feature double-layered padding made of Kevlar sheeting and aluminum insulation to shield the fingers, and these welding gloves provide added high-temperature protection. These welding gloves also feature extra shielding on the palms and backs. They're constructed ruggedly with Kevlar stitching. As well, the Kevlar sheeting adds additional resistance to punctures, tears, and cuts. It incorporated a full cotton liner over the entire inside of these gloves. It advertises a temperature rating of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 3. Kim Yuan 017. These extreme heat and fire-resistant gloves are made from cowhide, chosen specifically for a thickness over 1.2 millimeters for softness and for flexibility. The thick leather of the glove has a good deal of fire resistance and provides a good physical barrier. They also work well for grinding. Also, they're lined with thick, soft cotton, providing a great deal of comfort. But the gloves aren't great with extreme temperatures. They can't be in constant contacts with high-temperature metal like a fresh weld or something that's just been ground heavily. The gloves are very sturdy, using Kevlar stitching, reinforcing patches, and incorporating heavy denim cuffs. Additionally, the 14-inch length provides safe coverage well up the forearm, and because they're made of such thick and soft material, they're comfortable and protect your hands well from the cuts, scrapes, and bruises of long workdays in the welding environment. After all, it comes with a 90 days money-back guarantee for your 100% satisfaction. At number 4. Lincoln K2979 All. These are electric welding gloves that are a popular pair of gloves made of complete leather outside construction with high-grade split leather cowhide to protect against high temperatures. Also, the gloves have come with a soft cotton liner to provide comfort and absorb moisture during use. The gloves are designed for durability with Kevlar stitching and reinforced welded seams to help prevent tears. These gloves are okay for the price, but aren't the highest quality. The shape of the fingers is quite uniform and the leather is tough, so it won't provide the dexterity and touch sensitivity required for TIG welding. In addition, the glove design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points, and a fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter, or sparks. The soft cotton hand liner and straight thumb design enhance comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with twill cotton which absorbs moisture during use. Overall, this glove model is used by professional fabricators on a daily basis. At number 5. NKTM 13. These gloves provide more adequate protection against hot metal, sparks, abrasive and sharp materials, and flames. Whatever your welding discipline is, this pair of welding gloves will serve you well with their durability and heat-resistant properties. Also, the insulation of these gloves can provide excellent protection for your hands. Despite that, it still has a good breathable property and wicks sweat away, so you can comfortably use it during warmer days. It is one of the most comfortable welding gloves to use due to its cotton liner that is gentle on the hands. It doesn't feel abrasive, making it easier to wear for extended hours. Besides, the thumb area has a reinforced wing design, which is good for enhancing flexibility. It allows full hand dexterity. You can pick up small objects with minimal effort. The palms are reinforced with leather for further heat protection. It can still get hot when exposed to high heat, but many noticed that when it gets hot, the heat tends to stay. You might have to wait for a bit of time for the heat to dissipate. Moreover, these gloves are not only for welding, but also for other work and home tasks. The idea for welding gloves, work gloves, safety gloves, heat-resistant gloves, gardening gloves, camping gloves, cut-resistant gloves, fireplace gloves. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.